is your approach to ensuring that a tattoo flows naturally with the body?
One of the most useful tools that I found for matching the flow of somebody's natural body structure is to actually get them to send me some photos if they're out of town, or come visit the studio and let me photograph that body part. And usually when I'm doing my first round of sketches for the piece, I will draw into those photos in Procreate, or sometimes if I feel like it, I'll just print them out and draw on them. And I'll draw small. If I'm using Procreate, I'll have it pretty small on the screen so that I'm thinking like a thumbnail sketch, but I've actually got their arm or their back from a couple of different angles. So I'm able to take a few cues from their natural flow, the larger structures, the muscles and bones that I can see in those photos, and then the design ends up being a much closer match for their unique body type.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to continue on to the next video, click here. To start from the beginning of the series, click here. And if you'd like to dive deeper into these lessons and tons of other great tattoo education, click this link right here.